A lot of people are saying some things about me that are true. Hi everyone. I've been wanting to come, even though my team has strongly advised me to not. I recently realized that they never said that I couldn't sing. So here I am, and today I only want to talk about the facts. So I hope that you'll be willing to listen. Here we go. I messaged my fans in a creepy way. I was just trying to manipulate my fans. It was weird. There were times in the DMs when I would overshare details of my life, which was really weird of me. Now, have I made some jokes in poor taste? Yes. Have I made lots of dumb mistakes? Yes. Am I sad that there are some fans who feel betrayed? No. But was my intention to manipulate? Yes. It doesn't matter that these things are true, because I am the type of person who manipulates and abuses children. So I just wanted to say that the only thing I've ever groomed is my fans. I'm a groomer and I'm a predator. Oh, I made a fart. So, all aboard the toxic gossip train. What? Oh, you don't care? Oh, okay. Well, I am gonna monetize this video. So, I'm sure you're disappointed in my shitty little song. But what do I know? Fuck me, right?